Hey guys, it's Miguel, senior artist at Sephora, Hollywood and Highland. And if you want to learn my nighttime skincare routine for combination to oily skin, keep watching. First product up is going to be the Caudalie Makeup Removing Cleansing Oil. It removes all traces of makeup. It makes my skin feel super soft. And it's also ophthalmologist tested, so perfect around the eye area. You apply it on dry skin, about 2 pumps on the palm of your hand, and start massaging it, especially the areas where you have any waterproof makeup, like around the eyes and maybe brows or lips. I'm going to be utilizing a washcloth, but at home you can just wash your face. Now that we removed all my makeup, let's cleanse the skin using the Caudalie Instant Foaming Cleanser. It's a soap-free antioxidant pack cleanser that will gently cleanse the skin without stripping it. It's great for all skin types. On a damp face, use 2 to 3 pumps. Gently apply it to your face. Make sure to massage this product in to make sure you get any excess product off. And once again, I'm going to go ahead and rinse off the product with a towel. All right, so now that my skin is nicely cleansed, we're going to use the Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. Utilize 2 to 3 pumps on the palm of your hand and massage it into the skin. I have a little bit of texture on my cheeks, so this purified grade lactic acid is going to immediately resurface the skin, making my skin feel softer, fresher, and younger looking. So next up, the Sunday Riley C.E.O. plus E Antioxidant Protect plus Repair Moisturizer. This high-potency advanced vitamin C is going to fight the first signs of aging with a powerful antioxidant to also help with any pollution and environmental damage. So just using about a dime size, massage into the skin and press it in. Really make sure everything's nicely absorbed. So next up, I'm going to be using the KORRES Wild Rose Vitamin C Active Brightening Oil. This is going to lock in my moisture, make me look nice and bright, and also has anti-aging benefits to it. Use 2 to 3 drops on the palm of your hands and press it into the skin, especially where you have maybe a little bit of dryness or some texture. Last product I'm going to be using is the Ren Clean Skincare EVERCALM Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. This smoothing face mask is going to reduce any redness, irritation, itchy, or inflamed skin. After shaving, my skin can feel super sensitive, so I love using this to really make sure that my skin is feeling nice and calm. I'm strategically placing this around my beard area to make sure that my skin is feeling super soft and not irritated. All right, guys, thank you guys so much. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to follow me on my social media platform, it's @PaintTheHouseDown. Bye!